Alright, got everything in, wired up, checked my rotation, calibrated the ESCs individually, got my splitter in. I just talked to a buddy and he said, you know, don't cut it, just lift the tab on there and pull the pin so you can put it back if you need to use it. So yep, that's a lot smarter than cutting it. So that's what I did. Just two little 2S batteries I had with some juice in them. We're gonna try it, see if we can get it to sing the song of the twins. Ooh. So that's about 50% throw. That's what I have on the other little outboard, and it turns fantastic. Ended up going with those boots that came on the cowlings. I was able to get all my wires through and get them through and sealed off, and I'll probably just throw a zip tie there on the wires, maybe a little silicone or something. I'm not too worried about it, but all I got to do now is button it up, get the cooling lines ran, get the other screws and the motor mounts. So just a little disassembly and final assembly, and I'll be ready for the water. So yeah, pumped up. Ready to go for tomorrow. Props on, everything greased up. Got my OSE sticker on there for sure. Might do a windshield on it tonight, but it's not gonna stop me from going tomorrow. Foam in. Everything rolled up. Just kind of velcroed that down to hold them in place and not bouncing everywhere. Everything looking good. Alright, hopefully the weather's okay and we can get on the water tomorrow.